Today we're here at the Pearl Harbor Aviation Museum, and this is a collaborative effort with HTA where we have our STEAM Day. So we're here and we have a variety of booths set up to help engage students in scientific phenomenon, help them to understand more about science, technology, art, and mathematics.
We like to integrate art into the curriculum. I collaborate a lot with a lot of teachers. We bounce ideas off of each other. And sometimes if I'm integrating, say, math into my art, the math teachers will help me work with the students and just try to fine-tune things. And I'm just trying to show them that everything is integrated. So even though you're an artist, you still use math and rulers and compasses.
STEAM in general is important across all curricula. And I think for me, it's important because I want our students to learn how to think critically, how to solve problems, how to design processes that can apply to real-world situations. My role here for STEAM today is to do a demonstration with liquid nitrogen. We illustrate Newton's third law, as well as some of the gas laws. When liquid nitrogen boils, turns into a gas, and then expands rapidly. There's some fun stuff and some explosions that we can participate in.
From this STEAM program, I've learned a lot of skills, not necessarily like things you'll learn in books, but I've learned a lot of skills where it's a lot about communication, working with others, working with little kids, how to handle very stressful situations where there's like 50 people coming at you all at once. How do you handle that situation? I think it's really important because I'll eventually use those skills for the future.
I think there's a lot to be learned from STEAM, and there's a lot that I'm going to carry with me outside of school. There's the general mathematic foundation that it gives you. There's a lot of creativity involved, which I really enjoy. There's a general work ethic that goes into all the STEAM projects and everything involved in STEAM.
STEAM has opened up a lot of career interests for me. Going into engineering, I hadn't really thought about that. I'm excited that I get to interact with something like this.
I had a STEAM class and it was so much fun. It doesn't feel like a class. You forget you're learning because you get to design cars and you design all sorts of stuff, and it's really fun.
We are so fortunate today to be partnering again with Pearl Harbor, and one of their goals is to increase female opportunities in the aviation.
I think when students are around a setting like this, then they can achieve some kind of inspiration just from being around the aircraft. Everywhere that you look, you see some bit of history. So you're on the grounds where the Pearl Harbor attack happened, then it's a different sense than being in a classroom. So we try to give those alternate types of learning experiences, and what better than in a place that's full of history.